Hello dear students, today we will learn Standard 8 subject Art and Craft. Let's start. Next drawing 22 number and 23 number. Okay, so here now just it is giving to that human body and which part is means length, breadth. Okay, so you can see this. The human body is usually measured in unit of head. Okay, so human body usually measured unit of head. Okay, this now, so most adults are around 7.5 head height. Okay, so around how many? 7.5 heads height. This type. Okay, this part. See, this part. Okay, so around how many? 7. So this part. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, but this part is not counting. Here you can start counting because this is of head, right? This is of head, so you have to start from the here. Okay, but I counting from here, so it is of 8 coming, right? So 1 you can minus, so it is around the 7. Your height is that, so you have to see that your head. Okay, and then after you have to see that hand span. Okay, your hand span, and then after you counting. Okay, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, but for the practical and aesthetic reasons, most diagrams show the 8 heads. I telling that okay, 1 do minus, but reason is the 8 heads coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so it is not a big deal. It is not big deal. Just remember the head can be slightly larger in real life. Okay, so if you are drawing an adult that is standing up straight, okay, this, so this total part, this part, okay, stand. So here are few guidelines you must follow. Okay, just you have to see that basic line. Okay, here don't do the draw and color also. Just you have to see that basic. Okay, so first is arm. Arms are 3 multiply 1/2. Okay, now heads long is this part. Okay, so 3 multiply 1/2 heads long. Okay, so when the arms are hearing down the elbow, okay, this part, elbow, line up with the bottom of rib cage and the fingertip. This part and this part. Okay, this part and this part. So halfway the upper leg, this. Okay, now the forearm is 1.7 times the length of the head. This 1.7 time. Okay, the length of the hands, this part. Okay, the hand can cover the face from hairline to chin, this hairline to chin. Okay, and study the proportions of the human body in the adjacent figures and practice them in your sketchbook. So here you can do your sketchbook, but you can don't do now. You just example is giving, just do practice. Okay, how to do practice like this type. Okay, then after next 23 number, drawing pose. Okay, drawing pose. So how to draw pose. Okay, so whole drawing pose, simplify the body. Whole this type, circle do. Okay, and then this part. Now same way, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, like this type. So here also giving that simplify the body. A common way to simplify the body is draw a mannequin from bells and cylinders. Now this cylinders type. So how can you move and you can draw? So it is giving that example of cylinder. Okay, like this type. See. Okay, understand now? So here giving that. Now when drawing the skeleton, now when you draw skeleton and the muscles, now and the muscles means in between you can draw the muscles, right? In between muscles is there like this type. Okay, in between muscles is there. Okay, so here muscles for quick pose sketch. Quick pose sketch like this type. Okay, so now here giving that sketch. So different type sketch is giving, right? So now it would not make sense to detail everything. Okay, another simplifications is the ball and stick figure. Okay, ball and stick figure. Now this is of stick figure. Okay, now see. It is great for quick sketching. Draw this pose given below. Also practice some other pose yourself in your sketchbook. So if you have sketchbook, then you can draw this pose different types. Only you can draw only one pose. Okay, if you have sketchbook, so you can draw this pose. If you're not having, then don't do. Okay, so dear students, now here 22 preparations of the human body, and second is there drawing poses. Okay, now so here different types is giving. So here see and you can learn only. Okay, if you have sketchbook, then you can draw any two pose. If you're not having, then don't do. Okay, now so you can do just practice in your sketchbook. Okay, so dear students, now like this type also draw in your sketchbook, then also okay, because it is of skeleton sketch is there. It is of skeleton sketch, like see this type. Okay, so it is of simply, so you can draw like this type. If you draw like this type, then also okay, but you have to draw only 2 figures in your sketchbook. Okay, then after you take pic, and then after sending in my WhatsApp number. If you not having sketchbook, then don't purchase sketchbook. Okay, don't worry. Now you can see this video, and then after you can draw. Suppose you can draw your sketchbook and whatever you can, it is of basically. Okay, so now if you draw, then sending in my WhatsApp number. If you not draw, then don't worry. Okay, thank you.